banana, B-A. Okay, sorry. I have discovered the banana bun. This thing blew up on Instagram and Pinterest, and I love it because you can use it on damp hair, you can use it on like second day hair, you can use it for a formal event. It's quick, it's easy, and it gives you all kinds of like Kristen S style hair perfection. So I think you guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna talk you through it, how to break it down, and then how to dress it up. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Let's start with how to wear it casually. Now my hair is obviously like done right now. This will work on damp hair, but if you're doing damp hair and you have any kind of wave in your hair, I recommend using some wave spray. This is the wave spray. Just gonna spritz a little. This is just to kind of like make disheveled hair look like it's on purpose. Oh, and it smells so good. And now we move on to the technique. So you're going to gather all of your hair together at the middle of your head, like you're making a middle ponytail. And then twist it a couple times to the left. And from here you have this nice twist going on, but I want it a little looser. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit. Now I'm going to pin in place using jumbo bobby pins. So I recommend the jumbo bobby pins because they can hold so much more hair, and we're not using a hairband to hold all this up. So I think it's a lot better if you use these guys. You can find them at any drugstore or Target or anything like that. So now we've got this twist going on. Take a second to look in the mirror and make sure you like how it looks from the front before we put any more pins in. And now we make the bun. For the bun, you can just twist super loosely and again wrap super loosely. And I'm kind of making a little donut shape against my head, like so. I'm gonna pin that in place. And there you go. If you have ends, you can either like leave them down or you can kind of take them around and pin them as well. I like ends, so. And that is the finished casual version. I think this is all kinds of sweater weather awesomeness, but it's also really gonna look great if your hair is still a little damp. It will make it look purposeful and chic. And now I'm looking a little more fancy because I'm gonna show you guys how to dress it up if you wanna take the same technique and take it for like a night out. So first things first, volume. I'm just gonna tease around the top of my head for some extra vavoom. Okay, and once it looks nice and crazy, you can just smooth it down. A little extra lift is gonna help. Start by pulling your hair up into a high ponytail, and then we're going to twist to the left a couple times so that we have our nice little twist. And again, I'm gonna loosen it up. And use some jumbo bobby pins to hold it in place. If it feels wobbly at all, just keep crisscrossing your bobby pins inside the twist until it feels nice and secure. And now we make the bun. So I'm gonna make kind of like a row of donuts right here with the bun so that it can create that kind of faux French twist effect. And now obviously we have these ends. I'm gonna try to make one more donut with these. And hopefully that will get, yep, here we go. You have your nice little donut and the ends are nicely hidden. Mostly. So if you feel this being a little crazy and it's not quite long enough to make it to the other side, you can take the ends and just tuck them inside. pin it out of the way. And there you go, this is the more formal version of the banana bun. I like that it looks kind of like a French twist without being the work of a French twist. And I like that you can wear it more polished, or you could texturize it and make it kind of like Serena van der Woodsen. I just think there's a lot of things you could do with it. And that is the banana bun. I hope that you guys enjoy it and try it out. It's so much fun, and it's such a great, like, okay, I have to run out of the house and I wanna look like I care about my life hairstyle, because it looks like you put in effort, but it took you like 2 seconds. So I hope you guys try it out, hope you love it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a hair tutorial or tips or tricks or any of that from me. And don't forget to come back very soon for my next video. I'll see you then. Mwah! Bye!